Hi everyone, this is Kirsty from Play in the Park. Today we have Brooke. Hi Brooke.
Hi.
And she's going to show us how to make a stripey Easter egg. Last week she did spots, so today we're doing stripes. What do we have there, Brooke?
So we have an egg and some coloured paper.
What colours do you have?
We have pink, green and blue.
Oh, lovely.
And we got some scissors, so how we use them, put your thumb in the top and put your other ones in the bottom.
And if you haven't done much cutting before, you might need someone at home to help you with this part. What else do we have there?
And we have some glue.
That's to glue the stripes on. So first we're going to get Brooke to cut the egg out. That's great, Brooke. You've finished cutting out the egg. Show us your egg. Okay, now what are we going to do next?
Now we're going to cut out the coloured paper.
Okay. Brooke sometimes likes to rip as well as cut, so you can choose to do whatever you like. She might do a little bit of both. Which colour are you going to do first?
Maybe pink.
Okay, start cutting. I'll show you what it all looks like at the end. Okay, Brooke has cut out all of the strips. Now we're going to glue them onto the egg. So we'll get our glue and Brooke will show you how to put the glue on. So one big strip and turn it over and stick it onto your egg. So we're going to make stripes all the way down. They're a little bit long, but that's okay. We're going to turn it over and cut around the egg at the end. This is great for spatial awareness and learning about patterns and for fine motor skills. We've got blue. Are you going to do a pattern or is it going to be random, Brooke?
A pattern.
A pattern. So we've got green, pink, blue. And green again. So it's a repeating pattern. Okay, she's finished sticking all of the strips on. Show us how you've done, Brooke. Now we're going to take the scissors again and we're going to cut around the back. So we're going to cut around the egg shape to cut off all of the excess strips. Okay, off you go. Okay, Brooke has finished cutting out her egg. Show us what it looks like, Brooke. Oh my goodness, that looks fantastic. What are we going to do with it?
Put it on our window so when it's Easter time, the Easter Bunny could see it.
That's pretty cool. Everyone else can have a look at it, can't they, as well, when they're driving past? That's a good idea. Maybe we can make some more as well. Okay, thank you very much for that, Brooke. We'll see you later, everyone.
See ya.
Bye.